right, y'all, we're here at Caffeine and Octane. This is the new location in here at Town Center. So let's go check it out, see what's going on. LS swapped the world, but in this instance the RXA motor is, to be honest with you, not that great. So I agree with this swap. This one's for my old man. This is his dream car here, an Aston Martin. You got a Holden conversion car here. He's got the bumper and the emblem. Pretty cool.
No, that's not. These guys are great here, of course.
The Holden grill was way better than the domestic
They came
one.
with the supercharger as part of the HSV package.
Whipply whip, whipply whipple.
The heads have been ported. They're boost mode racing heads. Boost mode racing heads. It's got upgraded fuel system, electrical system. 812, yeah, 812 with the crank, 700 at the wheel. Right now they go for around 6. They'll go up as they get older.
Yeah, a little bit of an upgrade from factory. This gentleman was saying to me about 800 at the wheel. got all the Holden goodies, huh?
Yeah, I ordered it specifically like that.
Oh, really? You can get the Holden stuff from the factory.
Yeah, it's the HSV package.
Oh,
Which
nice.
wasn't available. I ordered it directly from General Motors, and I bugged them for 3.5 months, and they said fine. So they put the Redline package, performance package on it.
How much you make?
700 at the wheel.
Nice.
Built motor, forged internals, ported blower, boost mode racing heads and cam, upgraded ignition system from DIY Auto Team, upgraded fuel system from AI Industries.
It's super clean, man.
Thank you. It's the show car for Chemical Guys Detail Garage.
Oh, really? Nice.
So all the products used to maintain it, take care of it, color correct, ceramic coat, everything's from Chemical Guys. Everything inside, the engine bay, their leather treatment, their dash treatment, ceramic coating on the wheels, the brake calipers.
Oh, I'm liking those wheels and calipers. That's a hotness right there.
It also has HSV Maloo side skirts, so it's part of the HSV package with active brake cooling vent.
Well, you have a beautiful car, sir.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. That's why I bring it out. I'm always the oddity.
What in the world? What in tarnation is this, boy?
That's a functional spare tire, that's all it is.
What?
It's a cooling fan motor wired into my horn switch. Attached to some swivel sockets and some spare parts, scrap metal. It's something.
What gave you the idea to do this?
So I have 282 Subarus, and back in the day they mounted the spare tire in the engine bay as a safety feature. So I took the idea from that, and I was like, you know, what if it spun around? And I was like, what if it like spun around on its own? And yeah, here we are. I push the horn and it goes.
That's hilarious. So you turn on, you hit the horn and it stops.
No, I hit the horn and it goes. It'll stop eventually on its own, you know.
Oh, okay, because of inertia.
Yeah.
Well, that's really interesting.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Let me hit your Instagram over here so people can check
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
out. Go check them out on Instagram if you want to see more craziness like this. Let me get there. You go out of the reflection. There you go. Nice, man. Giggity.